Mastering Transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro Full Guide for Beginners. Hey creators, welcome to episode 4 of our Adobe Premiere Pro Full course. In this episode, we're diving into something that makes your videos flow smoothly and look professional: transitions. Whether you're making vlogs, short films, or YouTube tutorials or other video production, knowing how to use transitions the right way can take your video from amateur to polished. Let's jump in. What are transitions and why use them? A transition is the visual or audio effect that connects two clips together. It helps guide the viewer's eye and makes your story feel smoother. Without transitions, a hard cut between scenes might feel abrupt. But with a good transition like a fade or a slide, the change feels natural and intentional. Think of transitions as the punctuation of video storytelling. They control the pace, rhythm, and mood of a video, guiding the audience's attention and emotions as the narrative unfolds. Examples: fade to black equals ending or emotional moment, cross dissolve equals gentle scene, switch swipe or slide equals energetic. Fast-paced editing Premiere Pro. Transitions come built in under the effects panel, and they are incredibly easy to apply. Why use transitions in video editing? Transitions serve several crucial purposes in video editing, ranging from purely functional to deeply artistic. Here's why editors use them. 1. To show the passage of time. Transitions are excellent tools for indicating that time has passed between scenes. Dissolve crossfade. A gradual fade from one shot into the next often implies a short passage of time, like a few hours or a day. Fade to black or white. Fading completely to a black or white screen before the next scene appears typically signifies a more significant time jump, such as days, months, or even years. 2. To change location or subject when the story moves to a new location or shifts focus to a different character or subject. A transition can signal this change to the viewer. Wipe. A wipe where one shot pushes or wipes the other of the screen can create a sense of movement and travel, effectively taking the viewer to a new place. Cut. Even a simple hard cut is a type of transition. It's the most common and is used to instantly change perspective or location without any added effect. It's effective for maintaining pace in fast-moving scenes like conversations or action sequences. 3. To set the mood and tone. The style of a transition can dramatically affect the feeling of a scene. Smooth, slow dissolve can create a dreamy, romantic, or nostalgic atmosphere. Chaos or modernity. Iris or hot wipe can evoke a vintage, classic, or playful tone, reminiscent of early cinema. 4. To guide the viewer's attention. Transitions can be used to direct the audience's focus or create a specific visual effect that connects two scenes thematically. Match cut. A sophisticated technique where the composition of two different shots are matched, creating a strong visual and conceptual link. J-cut and L-cut. These are audio-based transitions where the audio from the next clip begins before the video appears J-cut, or the audio from the previous clip continues over the video of the next one L-cut. This creates a seamless professional flow and is very common in documentaries and interviews. 5. To enhance the narrative and storytelling quality. Every transition should serve the story. A well-chosen transition can foreshadow events, reveal a character's state of mind, or build suspense. An overuse or misuse of transitions, however, can distract the audience and make the video feel amateurish. Let's see some of common types of transitions. Cut. The most basic transition. An instant change from one clip to the next. Dissolve or crossfade. One clip gradually fades out while the next gradually fades in. Fading out. A clip gradually fades to or from a single color, usually black or white. Wipe. One shot replaces another by moving across the screen in a specific pattern, for example linear, star, clock. Zoom. The footage is rapidly zoomed in or out to transition to the next clip. Whip pan. A very fast camera pan that creates a blur, used to hide a cut between two similar scenes.